Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain fast on Motorola Edge 70. So first, go into the settings, then to the battery, and first battery saver. Enable the battery saver with a standard battery saver option to optimize system and save the battery. I'll disable it for now because it automatically applies some of the options that I want to show you. Then into the adaptive battery and enable it. It will limit battery for apps that you don't use often. Go back and to the battery protection and enable it with, I recommend, Smart Schedule. Let AI learn your charging patterns and optimize battery health. Charging stops at 80% and resumes an hour before you unplug. Works best if you have consistent charging schedule. Of course, you can choose the manual schedule here and set the schedule yourself. Then go back to the display and enable adaptive brightness. It will automatically adjust the brightness for you according to the environment. And the dark theme. The dark theme saves a lot of battery. Scroll down to screen timeout and shorten this time to, for example, 1 minute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.